Got a dent in your vehicle? We have the solution. Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and behind me we just got done doing a 2022 Mazda CX-5. This vehicle is actually really clean, but the passenger side front door has a really sharp dent with a little scuff in it. This panel has laminated glass, so there is a technique on how we're able to do this repair without having to disassemble anything. So once we use our window shield, we put a window wedge in there that gives us enough space to get our tools behind the damage to work it out using PDR. We got this dent out fantastic using paintless dent repair. This kept the vehicle completely original, maintaining its highest value. And of course, if you have damage like this on your vehicle and you would like to find out if it's a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're also conveniently located at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.